Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying iPadOS supports lock screen motion. This is why iPadOS 16 or later matters. It enables layered wallpaper effects. Once confirmed, go to Settings then Wallpaper and tap Add New Wallpaper or edit the current one. Make sure the image or live photo is saved in Photos. You need a live photo for motion. You're doing this now because the system requires that media source. Without a live photo, the movement option won't be available. Now you create the actual movement. Pick a live photo inside the wallpaper editor and preview it by tapping and holding. You'll hear and see the motion. Choose between perspective zoom and live photo motion. Perspective uses device tilt for parallax. Live photo plays a short clip. Adjust scale and position so the subject stays centered, and crop if needed to keep depth layers. Make sure the live photo contains enough foreground and background contrast, so the system can simulate motion convincingly. Finish by tapping Set and selecting Lock Screen only or both Lock and Home Screen. This applies the moving live photo as your lock wallpaper. If the motion doesn't play, check Accessibility Motion and make sure Reduce Motion is off. This setting prevents parallax and live photo animations. If problems persist, restart your iPad, reopen Photos, export and resave the live photo, then reapply. Sometimes re-encoding fixes metadata issues that stop motion from triggering.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.